In this video, we will tell you the 8 strategies that will make you rich quickly. We have researched a lot and found out these strategies which could actually make you rich. Many of my friends became millionaires by following these strategies. Watch this video till the end, or you may miss a major part. Now let's start. 1. Keep your spending in check. You can't become wealthy without first learning to live below your means. This necessitates cutting down on frivolous expenditures and spending less than you earn. Staying disciplined and focused on long-term financial objectives is crucial, even if it might be tempting to purchase that shiny new automobile or change your lifestyle. Another part of living frugally is staying away from debt. This includes things like credit cards and personal loans. Before putting money into investments, you should prioritize paying off your debt. Building money is a process that requires time and energy, and the most successful individuals know this. If you want to set yourself up for future success, living below your means is a great place to start. Opportunities that would not have been accessible before may become accessible when you invest in your own education and professional development. Get a handle on your spending habits by creating a budget and sticking to it. A path to financial success may be laid out using this. 2. Invest in your own growth. If you want to become wealthy quickly, one of the best things you can do is put money into yourself. It might be anything from establishing a home office to investing in personal development to enrolling in programs to further your knowledge. If you want to increase your income, improve your efficiency, and get an advantage over your competitors, investing in yourself is the way to go. You may improve your earning potential and broaden your knowledge base by enrolling in classes and reading books that are linked to entrepreneurship and financial matters. You may develop enterprises or invest in other projects that bring in passive revenue by learning new skills. Press the red subscribe button and also the like button to know more amazing financial tips and tricks to get rich. 3. Launch your company. One of the quickest ways to amass wealth is to launch a company. If you're willing to put in the time and effort, you can develop a profitable company. Get your feet wet before you attempt to develop a massive empire. Build something that can grow with time, but don't be afraid to start modest. Make a strategy for your company. If you want your firm to be a success, creating a business plan can assist you in staying focused. Get to know your intended audience. If you provide a service or product, who will purchase it? The key to success is understanding your target audience. 4. Secure a well-paying job. One of the greatest strategies to get wealthy fast is to obtain a job that pays a lot of money. If you can get a job that pays much more than your present one, the time and effort invested might be repaid handsomely. Start your quest for a high-paying job by looking at firms in your industry that are providing competitive wages. Job postings that call for certain expertise or that provide a bonus system are another option to consider. Also, try to get a job that gives you more responsibility and authority than the one you have now. They tend to pay better. If you want to get a high-paying job, you need to hone your credentials first. To show your dedication to your career and stand out from the crowd, consider taking classes or getting a certification. Additionally, be sure to update your CV by showcasing your most recent and applicable achievements. 5. Take advantage of a low cost of living locale. Relocating to a region with a low cost of living is one of the quickest and most direct routes to financial independence. You may save a ton of money on living costs by relocating to a region with a lower one. That means more money for investments and savings. Factors including housing, taxes, utilities, groceries, and transportation should be considered while choosing a low cost of living place. Rural locations sometimes have more affordable rent and housing costs compared to metropolitan regions. Nonetheless, before relocating, you should think about things like the availability of jobs and your quality of life. You may have more financial freedom if you move to a low cost of living place. For instance, you could forego costly extras that would have been unaffordable in a more affluent region. 6. Put your money into growth. An effective strategy to amass wealth is to put one's money into investments. You are effectively making your money work for you when you invest. Among the many investment options available, real estate, equities, bonds, mutual funds, and exchange-traded funds, ETFs, are among the most preferred. Buying stock is like buying a little piece of a firm. Your investment will provide a return if the business is successful. However, a large chunk of your money might go down the drain if the business goes under. Because of the high degree of risk involved, stock market investing requires expertise and investigation. Another option for investors is bonds, which are like small loans to a government or private entity for a certain amount of time. Investors will get interest payments from the government or business that lends them money. Although bond returns are lower than stock returns, bonds are typically thought of as a safer investment option. 7. Make your financial tasks automatic. Saving money and staying on track with your budget may be as easy as automating your financial tasks. If you want to make sure you're saving money and taking advantage of investing opportunities, automating certain expenses and transferring money to your savings or retirement accounts may assist. In addition to helping you pay bills on time and keep your financial records organized, automation may also help you save time and avoid mistakes. Making a detailed budget that accounts for all of your income and spending is the first step in automating your money. If you need assistance with this, you may use a budgeting tool or spreadsheet. After you've established a spending plan, you may set up automatic payments for things like rent or mortgage, auto payments, and school loans. To make sure you're always putting money away for the future, you may set up recurring transfers into your savings or retirement accounts. 8. Utilize the 30-day guideline. You may get wealthy fast and easy by following the 30-day rule. If you're on the fence about making a purchase, the general rule of thumb is to wait 30 days before committing. That way, you can be sure it's something you really need and can manage financially. You may use it to your advantage to avoid spending money on unnecessary things. For that time, you may put that money into an investment or savings instead of buying the item. You may swiftly save or invest and make prudent financial choices using this. A better understanding of your spending habits may be achieved by adhering to the 30-day guideline. Spending less mindlessly is possible if you give careful thought to each purchase. You can keep better track of your money and make progress toward your financial objectives if you do this. That's all for today. Now you know all the strategies that could make you rich this year very quickly and easily. Press the subscribe button below if you're interested in knowing more and more financial tips and tricks to get rich. Press the like button also because this motivates us to make more amazing financial videos for you. Share this video with all of your friends, relatives, family members, friends, and all others for them to learn and grow financially. Feel free to drop a comment below if you have any queries or suggestions for us. Most of the millionaires followed these strategies to get rich. Millionaires and multi-billionaires like Sir Warren Buffett, Mark Zuckerberg, Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, and many others followed these strategies to grow their wealth. They have also discussed these strategies in their interviews, but none of the people pay attention to these. People are always prone to adapt to new ways to waste their money. People always adopt worse financial habits, which cause their wealth to decrease. Almost 90% of the people are not rich because they waste their money on useless stuff. Even the people who were doing good, got poor because they wasted the money on some most useless stuff. We have researched a lot and found out 14 worse things where the poor people always raise their money, but the rich never do. You must check that video out if you really want to get rich. The video is appearing on the left side. Thank you.